Hello, my lovely friends. Sorry. It's me again. And I'm gonna upgrade this to my spare copy, and this time, in the regular cases. Remember that? You guys remember? I used to cut this out to put it in handle cases. As of this year, I decided to, you know what? I should need my spare copy. Like the same thing. Like Thomas and Friends. That in a jet engine. So yeah, here's the front, the side, and the back. In my spare copy regular cases, it better be same episodes. Here's the disc itself. I think it still works fine, I think. I might throw this out, because I don't need this anymore. So, yeah. So that's it, everybody, for my regular cases. My upgraded to my spare copy, and this time, in the regular cases, Thomas and the Jet Engine from 2003 DVD in the regular cases. And I'm excited for another giveaway messages, so stay tuned. Anyways, and I'll see you all later. Bye.